Welcome back, Fanhome Enterprise-D, Star Trek: The Next Generation. We're going to knock out pack 93. This is 2 pages, so it should be really quick. We're working on a book 24. Thanks for watching the series here. Comment down below what you do or do not like about this kit. Let's knock this one out rapidly. Open this up. Spill out the contents. Looks like we have, ooh, almost lost this. Be careful. Don't lose that on your floor. It's hard to recover. It's amazing how stuff will hit the floor and just be gone forever. Got a deck panel, some FM screws. Get my little card out. 93, so I know what I'm working with here. And I'm going to put that right there by that escape lifeboat hatch cover. Alright, we're grabbing this from the last pack. We put a escape pod in this light window panel, and we're going to take this reflector piece, come on down, put this, how's this go, right like this, I do believe. Is that how it goes? Seems like it's sliding all over the place. Yeah, that is how it goes. Guess it is what it is. We're going to use BP screws, but we're also going to put these cables in place. Someone's blowing my phone up. These cables look to be identical in length, which is really nice. Because they're not marked, but they are calling them 93. Oh, they're calling them both 93G. Good. I'm going to splay them out just a little bit. We're taking yellow. These cables are a pain in the ass. Taking a yellow, and it's going to go under here. Slot in there. Held in by the nubbin over there. So how is this going to freaking work? Oh, you gotta really crank it over. What a dumb design. So I'll show you that. So you gotta really crank it over. So it goes like that. And this one, man, I don't like how this panel sits on here at all. There's no positive lockup to it. It'll be held in by the screws, but come on. It needs to click into place or something. So that goes there. And we'll fold that over like they want. Like that. Okay. At this point, if a bulb works, it works. If it doesn't, it doesn't. Where's my BP screws? Did I not get them out? Dag nabbit. FM, IM, AM. Supposed to have a pack of BP screws. What the heck? Oh, it fell right here. Who saw that? Fell onto that other part. I would have had extras. I probably could have made it work, but my little extra kit pack. Let me just set that. Look at that. Get these out. P for plastic, so no lubricant required. Don't over tighten. What a piece of garbage. Start that one. I don't like this panel at all the way it's going in. There's no positive lockup to it at all. It just slides around on top of the light panel. So I'm going to put a screw in over here. I'm going to make sure that my lights, my LEDs are still in place. Okay. Get another one. It's going in here. Go ahead and snug that up. Go ahead and snug this one up. Don't over tighten it. Going into plastic. And the final one over here. Snugged. Okay. Let's double check that. Okay, that's in, that's in. Everything is okay. So, I mean, it tightens up, but that's just a dumb slidey part. Dumb. Okay. Panel time. I'll set this to the side. Get this deck panel out. And it is metal. L314. L314. I'm double checking these now before I even start because they sent me that wrong panel in that one kit. We're going to be using some AM screws and some IM, but first we got to roll out. We got to put all these escape pods in place. Lifeboats. We'll roll all these out real quick. And the red line on these is going to be oriented towards the larger radius of this panel. So red line goes like that. These go in pretty decent. The metal panels are easier to work with, I think. They don't flex and pop all your stuff back out as you're pressing things in. So, ooh, I feel like I got to sneeze, but we're going to resist the sneeze until resistance becomes futile. One more. That is done. Now we cover this with, where's our little black panel here? L3-12-14. I mean, sounds like the board came up with a naming convention for these parts. I'll tell you that right now. That's going like that. That cookie cutter notch right there in that corner. And we're going to hold these in place with 2 AM screws. And the M in AM stands for metal, going into the metal panel. So where's my oil tray? Because you want to use the 3-in-1 oil or some type of similar oil. Did I lose my tray from the last one? What happened? Oh, it's way over here on the edge of the table. Wow, edge of the desk. Dip the tip in the oil. In, down pressure, and screw. Tight. Grab another AM. Dip just the tip. That's all you need. Screw all the way in till you bottom out. Done. Put that to the side. Oh, actually, I might need that. Alright, now we're going to grab the edge piece here. All important edge piece. It's going to be oriented this way, like we figured out before. You can always set it in one way, but that yellow piece going to our left. Since they want to use different screws for everything, they're going to use IM screws for this. Two IM screws. They have the fat mushroom looking head on them. A little stubby threads. Dip the tip. Screw in. Snug. One more. Dip the tip. I am. This panel goes together pretty quickly though. I like that. I like these. Get all that residue off. Now we're going to come over here to our saucer section. Working on this side. Blow some of that particles out of there. And like I've said before, it's very important that you get, there's a lip, a notch that's cut out of this thing. Very important you get that tucked under this bottom panel. So we've got to kind of fiddle with it a little bit, get it tucked under, and then get it into position to slide into place. So it can be a little finicky, a little fiddly. That's not going in very nicely at all. I'm going to make sure that's down so we're not smashing anything there. Try again. Come on. Come on. Is that in? I think it is. Yep, we got it. We got it. Double check underneath. Show you what I'm talking about. Okay. I think we're in. I'll make sure that's smashed all the way up in there. A little bit out of whack there. There we go. Kind of popped into place there. Okay. Oh, what a excellent design. FM screws here and here. Because again, we want to use different screws for everything on this build. And there's my little oil bath. So going in the metal, we want to, like Dunscourge says, dip the tip or whatever. One in here. Snugged in. Got to get a lot of pressure in there. Support the bottom. Dip the tip. Come on. That is in, like Flynn. I'm going to double check this, and it looks good underneath. So, final step here is our falsetto cover. Has the two little nubbies. Those are going to go right in there. Get them lined up. Make sure your red line is oriented correctly. Push it evenly in. Boom. Love it. This one, this stage, is done. This is leftovers. Stage it up for our all-important thumbnail. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Like, comment down below. Boom. Cool. Codaboy32 has permission to use the boom, in case y'all didn't figure that out at the end of his vids. Boom.